The Earth rotates as a natural motion that keeps our planet spinning steadily on its axis every day. This rotation means the Earth completes one full turn roughly every 24 hours, creating the cycle of day and night. The axis itself is an imaginary line running through the North and South poles, tilted slightly at about 24 degrees. That tilt is crucial because it influences how sunlight reaches different regions, shaping seasons across the globe. The rotation began billions of years ago when the Earth formed from swirling clouds of dust and gas in space. As gravity pulled these particles together, the planet inherited a spin from the original motion of that cosmic material. Since there is almost no friction in space, the Earth has kept turning without slowing down significantly over time. This constant spin is why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west each day. The speed of rotation is surprisingly fast, even though we do not feel it while standing still. At the equator, the surface moves at more than 1,600 kilometers per hour, yet everything around us rotates together, so it feels completely calm. This rapid motion also affects the shape of our planet, making Earth slightly wider at the equator than at the poles. The centrifugal force from spinning pushes outward, creating that subtle bulge. Rotation does more than control daylight. It also influences winds, ocean currents, and weather patterns worldwide. The Coriolis effect, caused by Earth's spin, makes storms swirl and directs air movements across continents. Without this rotation, our climate would be drastically different, and life as we know it could not exist in the same way. Every sunrise and sunset reminds us of this silent, powerful motion that has shaped our world for billions of years. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.